Can you solve all these reaction kinetics questions? What is the order of the reaction? Option 1, 0. Option 2, first. Option 3, second. Option 4, none of above.
Great job, 0.
You make a space much smaller hoping to increase the reaction rates. Option 1, temperature. Option 2, catalyst. Option 3, concentration. Option 4, pressure. Spot on pressure. Decreasing temperature has which of the following effects on reaction rate? Option 1, increases reaction rate. Option 2, decreases reaction rate. Option 3, has no effect on reaction rate. Option 4, none of above. You're on fire, decreases reaction rate. Which of the concentration Nathers 203 can be affected the rate of reaction faster? Option 1, 0.2 mol. Option 2, 0.4 mol. Option 3, 0.6 mol. Option 4, 0.8 mol. Exactly, Gip. Why does a higher temperature increase the rate of a reaction? Option 1, it increases both the frequency and energy of particle collisions. Option 2, it only increases the frequency of particle collisions. Option 3, it only increases the energy of particle collisions. Option 4, it reduces the activation energy of the reaction. Nailed it. It increases both the frequency and energy of particle collisions. At 100 off, a substance exhibits a second-order reaction decomposition with half-life 25 minutes. If the initial concentration is 0.35 m, what is the concentration of substance after 70 minutes at the same temperature? Option 1, 0.19 mol. Option 2, 0.15 mol. Option 3, 0.70 mol. Option 4, 0.092 mol. So 92 mol, well done. Given a 2A equal to 2B plus C at a particular temperature, Kc equal to 16,000, raising the pressure by decreasing the volume of the container will dash. Option 1, cause the value of Kc to increase. Option 2, cause the value of Kc to decrease. Option 3, have no effect on the value of Kc as temperature does not change. Option 4, favor the forward reaction. Good job, have no effect on the value of Kc as temperature does not change. The smaller the size of reacting particles, the bigger the reaction. Option 1, a total surface area exposed. Option 2, molecule. Option 3, total number of atom. Option 4, none of above. A total surface area exposed is correct. What is key? Option 1, reaction rate. Option 2, equilibrium constant. Option 3, rate constant. Option 4, another reactant. Keep it up, rate constant. Which of the following is not true about order of reaction? Option 1, the order of reaction can be determined from the unit of rate constant. Option 2, the order of reaction can be determined from the stoichiometry of an equation. Option 3, the order of reaction can be determined from a graph of against time. Option 4, the order of reaction can be determined using initial rate method. Perfect choice. The order of reaction can be determined from the stoichiometry of an equation. The rate law for a reaction is rate equal to K2, which one of the following statements is false? Option 1, if it's doubled, the reaction rate will increase by a factor of 4. Option 2, the reaction is second order in B. Option 3, the reaction is first order in A. Option 4, the reaction is second order overall. Yeah, the reaction is second order overall is correct. If a chemical reaction was in the second order in A and zero order in B, so the reaction is in Option 1, second order overall. Option 2, first order overall. Option 3, zero order overall. Option 4, none of above. You got it, second order overall. Around what time does the reaction reach equilibrium? Option 1, 25 min. Option 2, 45 min. Option 3, 70 min. Option 4, 80 min. Well done, 45 min. In the production of ammonia, an iron is added. What happened to the rate of reaction? Option 1. The production becomes slower after the addition of iron. Option 2. The production becomes faster after the addition of iron. Option 3. The production becomes cooler after the addition of iron. Option 4. The production stops after the addition of iron. Right choice. The production becomes faster after the addition of iron. Of the following, dash will provide alternative pathway with lower activation energy for a reaction. Option 1. Increasing the concentrations of reactants. Option 2. Adding a catalyst for the reaction. Option 3. Raising the temperature of the reaction. Option 4. Removing products as the reaction proceeds. Right, adding a catalyst for the reaction. Which of the temperature condition can be affected rate of reaction become increase? Option 1, in ice bath. Option 2, in tap water. Option 3, in water bath. Option 4, in water pool. On track, in water bath. What is the meaning of the rate of reaction? Option 1, decrease in amount of product. Option 2, decrease in amount of product against time. Option 3, increase in amount of products against time. Option 4, increase in amount of reactants against time. Increase in amount of products against time. Great work. Which of the following is not a factor affecting reaction rate? Option 1, temperature. Option 2, catalysts. Option 3, particle size. Option 4, polarity. Nice, polarity. If the initial concentration of B is 1.5 mem and the rate constant for the reaction is 2.0xx10 mes 1, what is the concentration after 2 minutes? Option 1, 25. Option 2, 1.0 mime. Option 3, 0.95 number. Option 4, a 0.9 mime.
Yes, 0.9 out.
Which of the following is not the unit for time in reaction rate? Option 1, days. Option 2, months. Option 3, decades. Option 4, none of these above. That's it, none of these above. Which factor can affect the value of the activation energy of a reaction? Option 1, changes in concentration of the reactants. Option 2, decrease in temperature. Option 3, increase in temperature. Option 4, the presence of a catalyst. Nailed it, the presence of a catalyst. Half-life of a reaction increases with initial concentration if the reaction is Option 1, 0 order. Option 2, first order. Option 3, second order. Option 4, none of above. Second order is correct. Reaction rate means dash. Option 1, amount of product formed. Option 2, speed of reaction. Option 3, concentration of reacting particles. Option 4, combining reactants with products. That's its speed of reaction. Which of the following plots will show a linear relationship for a second-order reaction? Option 1, vs time. Option 2, 1 vs time. Option 3, ln vs time. Option 4, 2 vs time. Yep, 1 vs time is correct. Choose the correct statement regarding the changes occur to the activation energy, rate constant, and percentage yield when a catalyst is added to a chemical reaction. Option 1, lower activation energy, K unchanged and percent yield increased. Option 2, lower activation energy, K unchanged and percent yield unchanged. Option 3, higher activation energy, K decreased and percent yield increased. Option 4, higher activation energy, K unchanged and percent yield unchanged. Good job, lower activation energy, K unchanged and percent yield unchanged. Radioactive decay is a first-order reaction. The half-life of radioactive element, astatine, is 8.3 hours. Starting with 2.0 g of astatine, how much it remains after 30.2 hours? Option 1, 0.125 g. Option 2, 0.250 g. Option 3, 0.500 g. Option 4,
0.7 VG.
perfect choice, 0.15. The collisions which bring about a chemical reaction are called: Option 1, consistent collisions. Option 2, normal collisions. Option 3, effective collisions. Option 4, none of the above. Effective collisions, great work. The rate constant for the reaction is 0.1 in hour 1 at Twilight. What is the concentration of TaVO2 after 3 hours if the initial concentration is 0.80 m's? Option 1, 0.466 tellurine. Option 0.799 umlers. Option 3, 0 pFOM. Option 4, 0.22 mol. Well done, 0.40 What is the order of the reaction? Option 1, 0. Option 2, first. Option 3, second. Option 4, none of above. On track, second. The energy required to start a reaction. Option 1, activation energy. Option 2, catalyst. Option 3, enthalpy. Option 4, temperature. Activation energy, well done. The rate of a reaction increases as temperature dash. Option 1, decreases. Option 2, increases. Option 3, stays the same. Option 4, none of above. You're on fire, increases. For second-order reaction, the initial concentration of reactant A is 0.24 m. If the rate constant is 8.1 x 10 to the 1, what is the concentration of A after 29 seconds? Option 1, 0.02 μ. Option 2, 0.5 Myers. Option 3, 0 and 30 m. Option 4, 0.45 Meyer. Right, 0. The catalyst alters the rate of a chemical reaction by: Option 1, providing an alternative pathway with a lower E. Option 2, changing the products formed in the direction of the reaction. Option 3, providing a surface on which the molecules react. Option 4, none of above. Nice, providing an alternative pathway with a lower E. Which of the following factors can increase rate of reaction? Option 1, decreasing temperature. Option 2, smaller particles. Option 3, lower concentration. Option 4, higher pressure. Great job, smaller particles. Which species is the catalyst in this reaction mechanism? Option 1, R. Option 2, W. Option 3, X. Option 4, there is no catalyst. Yes, there is no catalyst is right. A straight line graph obtained when we plot a graph of Lun vs time. The order of reaction is dash. Option 1, Zito order. Option 2, first order. Option 3, second order. Option 4, third order. Exactly, first order. Choose the correct statement regarding a second order reaction. Option 1, the unit of rate constant is min-1. Option 2, the plot of concentration against is linear. Option 3, the reaction rate is doubled when the concentration of the reactant is doubled. Option 4, the half-life of the reactant depends on the initial concentration of the reactant. You got it. The half-life of the reactant depends on the initial concentration of the reactant. This equation relates the rate of a reaction to the rate constant and the concentrations of the reactants raised to some powers. This statement refers to Option 1, differential rate equation. Option 2, integrated rate equation. Option 3, rate law. Option 4, none of above. Keep it up, rate law. When the rate of the forward reaction is equal to the rate of backward reaction, the system is said to be in Option 1, chemical equilibrium. Option 2, chemical balance. Option 3, chemical constant. Option 4, chemical reaction. Spot on, chemical equilibrium. How could we make this reaction happen more quickly? Option 1. Decrease the concentration of the acid. Option 2. Crush the chalk to increase the surface area. Option 3. Put the test tube in an ice bath. Option 4. None of above. Right choice. Crush the chalk to increase the surface area. The rate of reaction between two gaseous reactants is much slower than the rate of reaction between two reactants in aqueous form because Option 1. The gas molecules move too fast. Option 2. The gaseous reactants cannot form a stable intermediate. Option 3. The repulsive forces between gaseous reactants are much stronger. Option 4. The probability of an effective collision happening is very low. You're on fire. The probability of an effective collision happening is very low. If a reaction is described as zero order with respect to reactant A, this means that Option 1. A is a catalyst in the reaction. Option 2. A is not involved in the rate-determining step. Option 3. The value of the rate constant is independent of A. Option 4. The rate of reaction is inversely proportional to the concentration of A. Yeah, the value of the rate constant is independent of A is correct. At what time on the graph will the reaction reach equilibrium? Option 1, T1. Option 2, knock. Option 3, come on. Option 4, teach. On track, knock. Which one of the following is a first-order overall reaction? Option 1, K1 equal to 1.1000 Mrs. 1. Option 2, K1 equal to V403.2 and M102 this way 2. Option 3 to 1 to 1.23 x 10 6 m1 Safan. Option 4, K1 equal to 10.7 Sfun. Well done, K1 equal to 10.7 Sfun. A chemical reaction is in equilibrium when Option 1. Forward and reverse reactions have ceased. Option 2. The equilibrium constant equals 1. Option 3. Forward and reverse reaction rates are equal. Option 4. No reactants remain. Right choice. Forward and reverse reaction rates are equal. How does a catalyst speed up a reaction? Option 1. Adding more reactant. Option 2. Providing a pathway that has a lower activation energy. Option 3. Increasing the activation energy. Option 4. Increasing binding energy. Perfect choice. Providing a pathway that has a lower activation energy. Under the collision theory, the particles must collide with dash and dash for a reaction to occur. Option 1. Sufficient rate and sufficient energy. Option 2. Sufficient surface area and correct orientation. Option 3. Sufficient catalyst and sufficient energy. Option 4. Sufficient energy and correct orientation. That's it, sufficient energy and correct orientation. What is the main reason for the increase in reaction rate with increasing temperature? Option 1. The activation energy decreases. Option 2. The activation energy increases. Option 3. The molecules collide more frequently. Option 4. More molecules have an energy greater than the activation energy. Right, the molecules collide more frequently. Which is a correct unit for expressing the rate of a reaction? Option 1, mole O once 1. Option 2, mole L once. Option 3, mole S. Option 4, mole 1 os 1. Mole L once 1, great work. Increasing surface area has which of the following effects on reaction rate? Option 1, increases reaction rate. Option 2, decreases reaction rate. Option 3, has no effect on reaction rate. Option 4, none of above. You got it, increases reaction rate. State the order for the reaction. Option 1, 0. Option 2, first. Option 3, and. Option 4, an offer. Nice, 0. A reaction has the rate law, rate equal to K. What will happen to the rate of reaction if the concentration of A is doubled? Option 1, it will double. Option 2, no change to the rate of reaction. Option 3, it will triple. Option 4, it increases by a factor of 4. Great job, it will double. What is the order of reaction with respect to I2? Option 1, 0. Option 2, 1. Option 3, 2. Option 4, none of above. Good job. A dash produces new substances by changing the way in which atoms are arranged. Option 1, chemical reaction. Option 2, reactant. Option 3, product. Option 4, law of conservation of mass. Nailed it, chemical reaction. A dash is a substance that increases the rate of a reaction without being used up during the reaction. Option 1, catalyst. Option 2, product. Option 3, reactant. Option 4, solute. Yes, catalyst is right. Which statement is not true? Rate equal to K2. Option 1, reaction is second order with respect to C. Option 2, reaction is zero order with respect to D. Option 3, reaction is second order with respect to B. Option 4, reaction is first order with respect to A. Reaction is second order with respect to B. Well done. A catalyst works by Option 1, changing the order of the reaction. Option 2, increasing the temperature. Option 3, lowering the activation energy. Option 4, making the activated complex. Exactly, lowering the activation energy. The higher the pressure, the rate of reaction. Option 1, a higher. Option 2, lower. Option 3, better. Option 4, smaller. Spot on, a higher. Dash is a reaction where heat energy is absorbed. Option 1, exothermic. Option 2, product. Option 3, endothermic. Option 4, none of above. Keep it up, endothermic. Which of the following plots will show a linear relationship for a second-order reaction? Option 1, V's time. Option 2, 1 tan Vs time. Option 3, un Vs time. Option 4, 2 Vs time. 1 Vs time is correct. What is the order of reaction with respect to J? Option 1, 0. Option 2, 1. Option 3, 2. Option 4, none of above. 2. When the concentration of the reactant molecules is increased, the rate of reaction increases because dash. Option 1, the average kinetic energy of the reactant molecules increases. Option 2, the frequency of the molecular collisions increases. Option 3, the rate constant increases. Option 4, the activation energy increases. Yes, the frequency of the molecular collisions increases is right. Which factors increase the rate of a reaction? Option 1, increasing temperature. Option 2, increasing concentration. Option 3, increasing surface area. Option 4, all of these. You got it, all of these. What is the order of the reaction? Option 1, 0. Option 2, 1. Option 3, 2. Option 4, 3. Good job. A reaction has the rate law. Rate equal to K. What is the overall order of reaction? Option 1, first. Option 2, and. Option 3, an offer. Option 4, C. On track, and. Which of the following is not the unit of rate of reaction? Option 1, m/1. Option 2, mol dm3 min fun. Option 3, m1 safun. Option 4, mol l1 min fun. Keep it up, m1 safun. A reaction was found to be third order in A. Increasing the concentration of A by a factor of 3 will cause the reaction rate to dash. Option 1, increase by a factor of 27. Option 2, increase by a factor of 9. Option 3, triple. Option 4, decrease by a factor of the cube root of 3. Yep, increased by a factor of 27 is correct. More collisions correspond to A. Option 1, faster reaction rate. Option 2, slower reaction rate. Option 3, constant reaction rate. Option 4, none of the above. Right choice, faster reaction rate. To measure rate of reaction, we can monitor the concentration change in which of the following? Option 1, reactants only. Option 2, products only. Option 3, reactants or products. Option 4, none of above. Reactants or products, well done. What the activation energy? Option 1, the maximum energy a reaction can release. Option 2, the minimum energy required to initiate a reaction. Option 3, the energy added by a catalyst. Option 4, the energy possessed by the products. Great job! The minimum energy required to initiate a reaction. What is the activation energy? Option 1, the energy of the products. Option 2, the energy of the reactants. Option 3, the minimum energy needed by the reactants to form the products. Option 4, the energy lost in the reaction. That's it, the minimum energy needed by the reactants to form the products. When the concentration of reactant molecules is increased, the rate of reaction increases. The best explanation is E. As the reactant concentration increases. Option 1, the average kinetic energy of molecules increases. Option 2, the frequency of molecular collisions increases. Option 3, the activation energy increases. Option 4, the order of reaction increases. Nailed it. The frequency of molecular collisions increases. For the reaction, rate equal to K2, determine the time taken for the reaction become 50% from its initial concentration if O is 1.5 min and K is 1.671 point. Option 1, 55.5 min. Option 2, 57.7 min. Option 3, 41.67 min. Option 4, min. 55 point min, great work. The following reaction, SO2 plus NO2 equal torsal3 plus NO had reached a state of equilibrium, was found to contain 0.40 mol 1 SO3 and 0.30 mol 1 NO 0.3 mol L NO2 and 0.2d mol L1 SO2. Calculate the equilibrium constant for this reaction. Option 1, 4. Option 2, 4.2. Option 3, 25. Option 4, fun. You're on fire 4. Which of the following is a unit of rate of reaction? Option 1, S1. Option 2, MES1. Option 3, M. Option 4, M1's 1. Right, MES1. Catalyst helps to. Option 1, increase the amount of product obtained. Option 2, to lower the activation energy. Option 3, provide an alternative reaction route with lower E. Option 4, decrease the frequency of collision. Nice, provide an alternative reaction route with lower E. What is the order of the reaction? Option 1, 0. Option 2, first. Option 3, second. Option 4, none of above. Well done, first. At what time the reaction reached equilibrium? Option 1, T1. Option 2, knock. Option 3, come on. Option 4, teach. Exactly not. An order of 2 means that the reaction rate is directly proportional to the dash of the reactant. Option 1, third. Option 2, square. Option 3, fourth. Option 4, none of above. Spot on. The rate of a chemical reaction is not affected by which of the following? Option 1, temperature. Option 2, concentration. Option 3, particle size. Option 4, all of these affect reaction rates. Perfect choice. All of these affect reaction rates. Which of the following statements about catalyst is true? Option 1, it is consumed in the catalyzed reaction. Option 2, it increased the yield of the reaction. Option 3, It provides an alternative mechanism for the reaction. Option 4, none of above. Spot on. It provides an alternative mechanism for the reaction. Hydrolysis is a reaction that occurs when water molecules. Option 1, surround solute particles. Option 2, react with ions of a salt. Option 3, decompose to form H2 gas and O2 gas. Option 4, both and. React with ions of a salt, great work. In a graph of how energy changes with reaction progress, the activated complex appears at the Option 1, left end of the curve. Option 2, peak of the curve. Option 3, right end of the curve. Option 4, bottom of the curve. Perfect choice, peak of the curve. What happened to the rate of reaction if concentration of reactant is zero order? Option 1, rate of reaction will become double. Option 2, rate of reaction will become triple. Option 3, rate of reaction will become quadruple. Option 4, no effect to the rate of reaction. Yep, no effect to the rate of reaction is correct. The sequence of steps that occurs in a reaction process is called the Option 1, order of the reaction. Option 2, rate law. Option 3, overall reaction. Option 4, reaction mechanism. Reaction mechanism is correct. A possible rate law for a third overall order of a reaction is dash. Option 1, rate equal to K22. Option 2, rate equal to K3. Option 3, rate equal to K3. Option 4, rate equal to K2. On track, rate equal to K2. Grinding a tablet into powder increases the rate of reaction due to increased. Option 1, concentration. Option 2, temperature. Option 3, surface area. Option 4, reactants. Nailed it, surface area. If a reaction is described as a zero order with respect to reactant A, this means that Option 1, A is a catalyst in the reaction. Option 2, A is not involved in the rate determining step. Option 3, the value of the rate constant is independent of A. Option 4, the rate of reaction is inversely proportional to the concentration of A. Yes, A is not involved in the rate determining step is right. The T1-2 for the decomposition of hydrogen iodide, a second-order reaction, is 253 seconds. Determine the rate constant if its initial concentration is 0.05 Arsen 1, 0.08 Mundred Fars 1. Option 2, 0.08 Mes 1. Option 3, 0.04 Mosers 1. Option 4, 0.04 Mes 1. Nice, somebody made one. What is the best definition of rate of reaction? Option 1, the time it takes to use up all the reactants. Option 2, the rate at which all the reactants are used up. Option 3, the change in concentration of a reactant product per unit time. Option 4, the time it takes for one of the reactants to be used up. Write the change in concentration of a reactant product per unit time. A rate law relates Option 1, reaction rate and temperature. Option 2, reaction rate and concentration. Option 3, temperature and concentration. Option 4, energy and concentration. You're on fire, reaction rate and concentration. For the reaction of a produced B, the rate constant K is 5.1031 and O is 0.2 m. Determine the half-life for this reaction. Option 1000 ses up to 500 ses. Option 3, 138. Option 4, 3.46 s. Well done, 130 s. What is the function of catalyst in the reaction? Option 1, decoration in the chemical reaction. Option 2, provides an alternative pathway which has a lower activation energy. Option 3, supply energy to the chemical reaction. Option 4, the compulsory substance to complete chemical reaction. Provides an alternative pathway which has a lower activation energy. Well done. The rate law of any chemical reaction. Option 1 must be determined experimentally. Option 2 can be deduced based on the stoichiometry of the reaction. Option 3 changes based on the condition of the experiment. Option 4, I don't know. It must be determined experimentally. Which of the following are true when a catalyst is used in a chemical reaction? Option 1, enthalpy of reaction is lower. Activation energy for the reaction is lower. Option 2, enthalpy of reaction is same. Activation energy for the reaction is lower. Option 3, enthalpy of reaction is the lower. Activation energy for the reaction is same. Option 4, enthalpy of the reaction is same. Activation energy for the reaction is same. Great job. Enthalpy of reaction is same. Activation energy for the reaction is lower. Which of the following statement is true about adding catalyst in a reaction? Option 1, catalyst participates in the reaction. Option 2, catalyst changes the concentration of reactant. Option 3, addition of catalyst always decreases the rate of reaction. Option 4, addition of catalyst lowers the activation energy for the reaction. Keep it up. Addition of catalyst lowers the activation energy for the reaction. The area of chemistry that is concerned with reaction rates and reaction mechanisms is called Option 1, reaction rate. Option 2, thermochemistry. Option 3, chemical kinetics. Option 4, none of above. Right choice, chemical kinetics. Grinding a seltzer tablet into powder increases the rate of reaction due to dash. Option 1, increased concentration of reactants. Option 2, increased surface area. Option 3, increased speed of particles. Option 4, better orientation of reactants. Good job, increased surface area. Which statements are correct? I. The activation energy of a reaction is not affected by temperature. I. A catalyst reduces the enthalpy change of a reaction. E. Catalysts provide alternative reaction pathways. Option 1, I and I only. Option 2, I and E only. Option 3 and E only. Option 4, I and E. Exactly I and E only. The overall order of a reaction is third order. Which of the following is a possible rate law for the reaction? Option 1, rate equal to K22. Option 2, rate equal to K3. Option 3, rate equal to K3. Option 4, rate equal to K2. You got it, rate equal to K2. Dash is a reaction where energy heat is released. Option 1, exothermic. Option 2, product. Option 3, endothermic. Option 4, reactant. Exothermic, well done. What is the rate of reaction? Option 1, how much energy is needed for a reaction to occur? Option 2, the energy required to break a bond. Option 3, the time it takes for a reaction to occur. Option 4, collision theory. You're on fire. The time it takes for a reaction to occur. Use the equation to identify the total order of reaction. Rate equal to K2. Option 1, 1. Option 2, 2. Option 3. Option 4, 4. You got it, 4. The half-life of the first-order gaseous reaction, in which X2 molecules become converted into X atoms, is 20 minutes. 1 mole of X2 is put into a sealed vessel at pressure P. Which of the above will be correct when 87.5% of X2 has been converted into X's atoms? Option 1, 1 only is correct. Option 2, 1 and 2 only are correct. Option 3, 2 and 3 only are correct. Option 4, 1, 2 and 3 are correct. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Great work. The rate equation for a reaction is rate equal to Kex way. Which of the following statements is correct? Option 1, the unit of rate constant is m-1. Option 2, order of reaction with respect to n is x. Option 3. The total order of reaction is X plus Y. Option 4. The rate law does not depend on the value of K. Nice, the total order of reaction is X plus Y. If an exothermic reaction has reached equilibrium, then increasing the temperature will: Option 1. Favor the forward reaction. Option 2. Favor the reverse reaction. Option 3. Favor both the forward and reverse reactions. Option 4. Have no effect on the equilibrium. Exactly favor the reverse reaction. A certain reaction is zero order in reactant A and second order in reactant B. What happens to the reaction rate when the concentrations of both reactants are doubled? Option 1. The reaction rate remains the same. Option 2. The reaction increases by a factor of 2. Option 3. The reaction rate increases by a factor of 4. Option 4. The reaction rate increases by a factor of 8. Nailed it! The reaction rate increases by a factor of 4. When reaction occurs in many steps, then the slowest step is the Option 1, min step. Option 2, enthalpy determining step. Option 3, mechanism determining step. Option 4, rate determining step. That's it, rate determining step. Which factors increase the rate of a reaction? Option 1, increasing temperature. Option 2, increasing concentration. Option 3, increasing surface area. Option 4, all of these. Perfect choice, all of these. Which of the following increase the reaction rate? Option 1, less surface area. Option 2, lower temperature. Option 3, an inhibitor. Option 4, increased concentration. Great job, increased concentration. Which of these will not speed up the rate of reaction between a strip of magnesium and hydrochloric acid? Option 1, tightly coil up the strip of magnesium. Option 2, cut up the strip of magnesium. Option 3, increase the concentration of the hydrochloric acid. Option 4, increase the temperature of the hydrochloric acid. Right, tightly coil up the strip of magnesium. Butanedione ions can be dehydrogenated to form trans-butanedione ions. The enzyme fumarase speeds up this reaction. Why does fumarase speed up this reaction? Option 1, fumarase is a protein. Option 2, fumarase is effective at body temperature. Option 3, fumarase lowers the activation energy of the dehydrogenation reaction. Option 4, the enzyme fumarase is specific for this dehydrogenation reaction. On track, fumarase lowers the activation energy of the dehydrogenation reaction. Which of the following statements about the activation energy of a reaction is incorrect? Option 1, it changes with temperature. Option 2, activation energies for the forward and backward reaction are different. Option 3, activation energies for the forward and backward reaction are different. Option 4, activation energies for the forward and backward reaction are different. Spot on, it changes with temperature. The following statements are true for a reaction to happen except: Option 1, molecule must collide in correct orientation. Option 2, molecule must collide with energy greater than E. Option 3, effective collision will lead to a product formation. Option 4, frequency of collision will lead to product formation. Frequency of collision will lead to product formation is correct. The slowest step in a mechanism is called: Option 1, the uncatalyzed reaction. Option 2, the activation step. Option 3, the rate determining step. Option 4, none of the above. Good job, the rate determining step. Decreasing concentration has which of the following effects on reaction rate? Option 1, increases reaction rate. Option 2, has no effect on reaction rate. Option 3, decreases reaction rate. Option 4, none of above. Keep it up, decreases reaction rate. For the reaction 2x2s plus O2 plus 2 which one of the following statements is absolutely true? Option 1, the reaction is fourth order overall. Option 2, the rate law is rate equal to K2. Option 3, the rate law is rate equal to key. Option 4, the rate law cannot be determined from the information given. Yeah, the rate law cannot be determined from the information given is correct. The following statements describe a first-order reaction except Option 1, the half-life is dependent on the amount of reactant used. Option 2, the rate law can be rate equal to key. Option 3, the rate of reaction is doubled when the concentration of reactant is doubled. Option 4, if the concentration of the reactant increases, the half-life will remain constant. Well done. The half-life is dependent on the amount of reactant used. A reaction has the rate law, rate equal to K. What is the order of reaction with respect to A? Option 1, first. Option 2, and. Option 3, an offer. Option 4, C. Right choice first. The rate constant for a second-order reaction at 3 OC is 2.0 x 10⁶ mol fronts 1. The activation energy for this is 108 kJ mol 1. By using Arrhenius equation, determine the collision frequency factor for the reaction. Option 1, 5.0 x NOL 12. Option 2, 6.0 x NOL 12. 3, 8.0 x NOL 12. Option 4, 1.0 the x N for D. Yes, 8.0 x 12 is right. The rate of reaction is the change in dash of a reactant or product dash. Option 1, I-theatomiate per unit of time. Option 2, the nucleus per unit of time. Option 3, I the concentrationite per unit of time. Option 4, I the effecti per unit of time. Right choice, I the concentrationite per unit of time. What does catalyst do in a reaction? Option 1, provide alternative pathway with higher activation energy. Option 2, lowers the activation energy for a reaction. Option 3, increases the kinetic energy of the molecules. Option 4, provide alternative pathway with lower activation energy. Exactly, provide alternative pathway with lower activation energy. How does a catalyst work in speeding up a reaction? Option 1, by decreasing the activation energy of reaction. Option 2, by increasing the activation energy of reaction. Option 3, by increasing the frequency of collision. Option 4, by decreasing the proportion of particles with energy greater than E. Keep it up. By decreasing the activation energy of reaction. Why does a higher concentration increase the rate of reaction? Option 1, it increases the amount of reactants. Option 2, it increases the energy of particle collisions. Option 3, it lowers the activation energy. Option 4, it increases the frequency of particle collisions. Yeah, it increases the frequency of particle collisions is correct. Which unit is correct for the rate of reaction? Option 1, G mol 1. Option 2, G min 1. Option 3, mol dm 3. Option 4, kJ mol 1. Nice, G mol. With increase of 100 C temperature, the rate of reaction doubles. This increase in the rate of reaction is due to Option 1, decreasing in activation energy of reaction. Option 2, decrease in the number of collisions between reactants molecules. Option 3, increase in activation energy of reactants. Option 4, increase in number of effective collisions. Perfect choice, increase in number of effective collisions. Which of the following equations corresponds to the integrated rate law for zero-order reaction? Option 1, 0 equal to K plus T. Option 2, T equal to T0. Option 3, lint equal to Kt plus lungu. Option 4, lungu equal to Kt lint. Write 0 equal to K plus T. Decreasing the particle size increases the reaction rate because Option 1, it makes particles move faster. Option 2, it increases the likelihood of collisions with the correct geometry. Option 3, it decreases the surface area available to react. Option 4, it increases the number of collisions. It increases the number of collisions is correct. When the pressure of a fixed mass of gaseous reactants is raised at a constant temperature, the rate of reaction increases. Which of the following statements explain this observation? Option 1, raising the pressure lowers the activation energy. Option 2, more molecules have energy greater than the activation energy at the higher pressure. Option 3, more collisions occur per second when the pressure is increased. Option 4, none of above. You got it, more collisions occur per second when the pressure is increased. The following graph shows two different reaction pathways for the same overall reaction at the same temperature. Which pathway is slower and why? Option 1, red, because the activation energy is larger. Option 2, blue, because the activation energy is lower. Option 3, both reaction progress at the same rate. Option 4, none of above. You're on fire, red, because the activation energy is larger. What is the order of the reaction? Option 1, 0. Option 2, first. Option 3, second. Option 4, can be first or second. On track, can be first or second. Determine order of reaction for the reactant A and B based on this rate law of A. Rate equal to K21. Option 1, first order and first order. Option 2, first order and second order. Option 3, second order and first order. Option 4, second order and second order. Yes, second order and first order is right. From the above results, it is concluded that the reaction rate is Option 1, K2, Option 2, K3, Option 3, K, Option 4, K. K2, great work. Pick the correct statement. Effective collisions only occur. Option 1, at standard conditions. Option 2, for gaseous reactions. Option 3, for molecules at correct orientations. Option 4, for molecules with low kinetics energy. Well done, for molecules at correct orientations. The reaction rate may be measured by Option 1, physical method. Option 2, chemical method. Option 3, both A and B. Option 4, known. Nailed it, both A and B. State the order for the reaction. Option 1, 0. Option 2, first. Option 3, and. Option 4, an offer. Great job! According to collision theory, why does a higher temperature increase the rate of a reaction? Option 1, more particles will have energy exceeding activation energy. Option 2, it increases the movement of particles. Option 3, it increases the activation energy of the reaction. Option 4, it reduces the activation energy of the reaction. That's it, more particles will have energy exceeding activation energy. Which statement will increase the rate of reaction? Option 1, temperature must be lowered. Option 2, dilute concentration. Option 3, lower pressure. Option 4, smaller size particles. Spot on, smaller size particles. Which is an appropriate unit for the rate of a reaction? Option 1, mol dm3. Option 2, mol dm3s1. Option 3, mol dm3. Option 4, S. Mol dm3s1, well done. In the chemical reaction, the successful formation of products depends on the following factors except Option 1, the The collisions between reacting molecules must be effective. Option 2. The colliding molecules must approach each other in the right orientation. Option 3. The energy of colliding molecules must be equal to or more than activation energy. Option 4. A collision between molecules must produce sufficient energy to overcome the activation energy. Good job. A collision between molecules must produce sufficient energy to overcome the activation energy. When surface area is decreased, the rate of reaction dash. Option 1. Decreases because there are less possible sites for correct collisions. Option 2. Collisions because there are less possible sites for correct collisions. Option 3. Decreases because there are more possible sites for correct collisions. Option 4. Increases because there are more possible sites for correct collisions. Yep, decreases because there are less possible sites for correct collisions is correct. All the factors can be affected rate of reaction, except Option 1, concentration, Option 2, pressure, Option 3, temperature, Option 4, trees. Trees is correct. Which items correctly complete the following statement? A catalyst can act in a chemical reaction to increase the equilibrium constant, lower the activation energy, decrease E for the reaction, provide a new path for the reaction. Option 1, I and I. Option 2, I and IE. Option 3, E and AV. Option 4, I and IE. Good job, EV. The set of assumptions regarding collisions and reactions is known as Option 1, rate law. Option 2, collision theory. Option 3, reaction mechanism. Option 4, none of above. Great job, collision theory. Which of these statements about the rate constant, K of a chemical reaction, is not true? Option 1, the rate constant increases when a catalyst is used. Option 2, the rate constant increases if the activation energy increases. Option 3, the rate constant may have different units. Option 4, the rate constant remains the same if the concentration of reactants is increased. Well done. The rate constant increases if the activation energy increases. In a chemical reaction, how quickly or slowly reactants turn into products is called the Option 1, catalyst. Option 2, reaction rate. Option 3, concentration. Option 4, temperature. You're on fire, reaction rate. The graph the rate of reaction below refer to the Option 1, 0 order. Option 2, first order. Option 3, second order. Option 4, third order. Keep it up, first order. Increasing the surface area of the reactants in a heterogeneous reaction. Option 1 tends to increase reaction rate. Option 2 tends to decrease reaction rate. Option 3 has no effect on reaction rate. Option 4 cancels the rate determining step. Yes, tends to increase reaction rate is right. Which of the following is true about the cell reaction in the diagram? Option 1, it is a non-spontaneous cell reaction. Option 2, bubble gas is produced at cathode. Option 3, cathode becomes thicker. Option 4, the salt bridge is not necessary. Cathode becomes thicker. Well done. Electrical conductivity method is applied for rate determination when Option 1, reactions and products involve absorption of UV or IR radiation. Option 2, reaction involving ions. Option 3, reaction which involve change in refractive indices. Option 4, reactions which involve small volume change. Reaction involving ions, great work. The change in the conc of reactants and products in unit time is called Option 1, reaction rate. Option 2, rate constant. Option 3, diffusion. Option 4, none. Nailed it. Reaction rate. The branch of chemistry which deals with the study of rate of reaction is called Option 1. Thermodynamics. Option 2. Chemistry of reversibility. Option 3. Chemical kinetics. Option 4. Mechanistic studies. Perfect choice, chemical kinetics. Which of the following is not a property of a catalyst? Option 1. It provide alternative pathway with lower activation energy. Option 2. It increases the rate of both the forward and reverse processes. Option 3. It may be changed at the end of the reaction. Option 4. It causes equilibrium to be reached more rapidly. On track, it may be changed at the end of the reaction. A mixture of 0.1 mol of N2 gas and 0.3 mol of H2 gas in a tightly closed 2L container at a certain set of conditions undergoes a reversible reaction, N200 equal to 2NH3. It was found that after 10 minutes, 0.2 mol of H2 gas remains unreacted. What is the rate of reaction in terms of the change in H2 concentration during the initial 10 minutes? Option 1, 0.104 mol 1 min FON. Option 2, 0.08 mol 1 WAN. Option 3, 0.02 mol 1 min FON. Option 4, 0.110 mol 1 WAN. Spot on 0 mol 1 min 1. Best statement for catalyst. Option 1. Substance that changes the rate of a reaction without itself being used up. Option 2. Substance that need more if you want the reaction speed more. Option 3. Substance that not involve in the reaction. Option 4. Substance must be high for better reaction. That's its substance that changes the rate of a reaction without itself being used up. What is the unit for K for first order of reaction? Option 1, MES1. Option 2, M1's 1. Option 3, S1. Option 4, M1. Nice S1. Products will form faster if dash. Option 1. The particle size of the reactants are larger. Option 2. Temperature is decreased. Option 3. Concentration of the reactants are increased. Option 4. The reaction is not stirred. You got it. Concentration of the reactants are increased. The half-life for the decomposition of an organic compound W is 80 min. If the decomposition is the first-order reaction, what is the percentage of W that remains after 6 hours? Option 1, 4.42%. Option 2, 7.25%. Option 3, 8.86%. Option 4, 10.33%. Right, 42%. Which of the following statement is correct? Option 1, smaller size of reactants, smaller total surface area, higher reaction rate. Option 2, larger size of reactants, smaller total surface area, higher reaction rate. Option 3, smaller size of reactants, larger total surface area, higher reaction rate. Option 4, larger size of reactants, larger total surface area, higher reaction rate. Exactly, smaller size of reactants, larger total surface area, higher reaction rate. Determine the order of reaction with respect to concentration of a Option 1, 0. Option 2, first. Option 3, and. Option 4, and offer. Right choice first. The rate of reaction at a given time is called N dash of reaction. Option 1, average rate. Option 2, instantaneous rate. Option 3, initial rate. Option 4, market rate. That's at instantaneous rate. A reaction is found to be second order with respect to carbon monoxide. If the concentration of carbon monoxide is doubled, the rate of reaction dash. Option 1, doubles. Option 2, remains unchanged. Option 3, increases by a factor of 4. Option 4, is reduced by a factor of 2. Right, increases by a factor of 4. Which of the following best describes why increasing temperature increase reaction rate? Option 1, activation energy is reduced. Option 2, collisions become more frequent. Option 3, collisions become more energetic. Option 4, collisions become more frequent and more energetic. Keep it up. Collisions become more frequent and more energetic. In order for a chemical reaction to occur, all of the following must occur except dash. Option 1, particles must have adequate kinetic energy. Option 2, particles must be correctly orientated. Option 3, particles must collide. Option 4, particles must have an electrical charge. Perfect choice. Particles must have an electrical charge. What is Y? Option 1, order of reaction with respect to reactant A. Option 2, order of reaction with respect to reactant B. Option 3, overall order of reaction. Option 4, coefficient of reaction B in a balanced equation. On track, order of reaction with respect to reactant B. Look at the table of experimental results. Determine the order of reaction with respect to the concentration of reagent EP. Option 1, 0. Option 2, fuss. Option 3, and. Option 4, an offer. Right choice first. For the reaction dash SO2 plus O2 equal Tor SO3, if the equilibrium position shifts to the right, the concentration of O2 will dash. Option 1, increase. Option 2, decrease. Option 3, remain the same. Option 4, double. Spot on decrease. To slow down a chemical reaction, you will do one of the following. Option 1, place the reactants in hot water. Option 2, place the products in ice bath. Option 3, place the reactants in ice bath. Option 4, keep stirring the reactants with a stirring rod. Great job. Place the reactants in ice bath. Which number best represents the impact of a catalyst on the energy curve of an exothermic reaction? Option 1, 1. Option 2, 2. Option 3, 3. Option 4, 4. 2. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Option 1, contact Narayan Changder on Facebook. Option 2, send an email to cbsenet4u@gmail.com. Option 3, none of the above. Option 4, contact Narayan Changder. Well done. Contact Narayan Changder.